Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amit. Today we are going to answer this question. What is expression task in latest versions of SSIS? When I say latest versions, that means SSIS 2012 and SSIS 2014, and hopefully moving forward we will have this task available to the new versions. If you are using SSIS 2005 or SSIS 2008 or R2, you will not see expression task there. So let's go to the SSDT and take a look. So I'm in SSDT SQL Server Data Tools. I'm using SSIS 2014, and here in the SSIS toolbox, once you are in the control flow pane, you will see the expression task here. So what expression task is? Expression task can be used to create and evaluate expressions that we can use for our variables, and the values are available for the runtime on that variable. So we can set the values of a variable by using multiple variables. We can hard code some expressions. So we can write expression in old versions of SSIS 2005 and 2008. There was no expression task. So how we were doing it in old version? What we were doing? Let me show you. I have three variables here, and then I'm going to show you the example what we were doing. So we have archive folder path, and we have file name, and we have full archive path. So assume that we want to build the expression or build the value for full archive path variable by using archive folder path and file name. So what we were doing in old versions, we were pressing F4 on this variable. That will take us to the properties, and then in the expressions we were hitting expressions, and we had expression builder available to us, and we were writing expressions. So that's how we were setting the values. And let me show you real quick if we can do it right now. So we bring archive folder and plus the file name, and that's how the value of a variable was set in old versions. Now by using expression task we can do the same thing. By using expression task, one thing is more visual, and your developers, they can take a look on the flow and find out okay, in the first one we are loading the data, second we are setting the value of some variable. By using those expressions on the variables, it was not that visual, and that get complicated if your new developer is coming and he had to debug a package. But having this visual expression task, he can see or she can see how your data, how your flow is structured. And it's easy to debug, it's easy to understand quickly if you are setting the value of different variables and they are more visual. So here let's set the value of a variable full archive path, and we will set to the archive folder plus your file name, and that's how the value of this variable is set by using the expression task. Hit OK, and that's it. So that's a major difference in old version and new version. New version have expression task, old version didn't had expression task, but we were still able to do whatever we are performing in the expression task. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you in next video.